Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Taurus. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you want more clarity, Taurus, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this gentle guidance. So you can stay tuned for that, guys, Taurus. So let's see what are the cards for your general energies first. We have King of Water, Messenger of Water and Seven of Air. So in your situation, guys, it may be in your relationship or in your career situation. You are someone who is really, beautiful, confident, and you are someone really skilled and talented. So it may be in your work situation or in your relationship. You are trying to use your skills and talents, move forward, trying to resolve your situation, trying everything possible for you, doing your best. But you are not seeing the expected results or the way things are going in your situation. You really feel angry and you are regretting that you worked so hard, tried your best, but still today you are not seeing that expected results in your situation. So that is causing a lot of stress and worries for you. You just wish that you never did it, or you just are wishing that you never used your skills and talents, or never put in so much efforts for your work situation, or it may be a situation in your relationship. Maybe you have your own set of ideas. You want to do things your way, but this person is not listening, or maybe they are doing things their way. They are not listening to you, and you are trying hard, make them see the truth, make them understand, but still they are not being diplomatic. They just want you to listen to them, and they are not giving you importance no matter what you have done for them, for this love. But being diplomatic and kind towards this person is going to help you come out of this difficult situation, guys, you are seeing today. Maybe this may be your energy towards this person or their energy towards you. So they want you to respect them, and they want you to listen to them, guys. That is the reason they are not doing things your way. They want you to talk to them freely and come to an understanding. They want to tell you something, guys. They want to communicate something to you. That is what I see. So let's see what is the card for your relationship first, guys, Taurus. So we picked one card, Temptation. So they have something in their mind, really. Something is some kind of attachment they have, and they are they feel really troubled to tell you this, but something is bothering them about this relationship. They feel that you are focusing on something too much, or they are doing it. It may be some addictions they have, guys. So you need to talk to them. That is what I see, guys, Taurus. Communication is going to help you both in this difficult circumstance. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Messenger of Fire. So with this card in your career situation, guys, you are someone who is really confident about your skills and talents, and you are ready to jump into action, doing your best, doing everything possible in your limit, in your skills and talents, using your skills and talents. And maybe there are some new opportunities reaching you in your career situation, Taurus. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Taurus. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading if you want more clarity, guys, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. You can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card here. I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is the card for you all, guys, for those who chose this first card. It is an angel card, guys. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means that angels are here guiding us today. So with this angel card, this angel stands for beauty and enlightenment, and this angel assists us in seeing the beauty in the world around us, finding happiness and joy through our own unique creative expression. So in the world around us, we often see so much ugliness, and this angel is here to make us aware of the things that are beautiful no matter what in our situation, and appreciate that, guys. So when we lack that spark in our day-to-day life, we feel bored, we don't feel like doing anything, or we feel stuck, unable to think with clarity or point out or identify what we need and what is our dream or goal. When we lack that inspiration, when we lack that spark, this angel is here guiding us, helping us, giving us the answers, clearing the fog, making us see our circumstance with clarity in our day-to-day life, and bringing awareness in our situation, guys. And that awareness is going to make us realize the beauty of our world. Often we lack inspiration because we do not see, we are not aware of the beautiful things that we have, and maybe some creative blocks we have in our work or even in our relationship. Whatever it is, this angel is here to guide us, give us ideas and opportunities, making us more inspired, confident in ourselves to move forward positively in our life, guys. So all you need is inspiration, guys. That is what this card is about. So maybe you can do things that you love to do, maybe. So due to some reason you do not find time to do the things that you love to do, but when we take up activities we love to do, we really feel refreshed, rejuvenated and inspired, feeling confident and happy. in our own self. So when we are in that spirit, we are going to relate that in our day-to-day life. That is this card meaning, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, let's see what it is. It is orange calcite. It is an crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, the energy is that maybe you are at your creative best today. You are bubbling with energy, confidence. You want to take up something new in your life. Maybe you want to you are on the path to healing yourself from the past. You are feeling creative. You want to express yourself, and you are having intuition or some kind of inspiration in your situation. You want to do something which you love to do. And maybe for some of you, you are moving towards something which you love, something which you are really passionate about. It may be in your work situation or even in a relationship, or it may be some hobbies like drawing, painting, singing, whatever it is, something which you are really passionate about, and something which is going to channel your creative energy, guys. And you are going to help yourself, help your relationship change, become more healthier, become more satisfying because of the way you are. And your relationship is evolving, guys, positively, and your creative energy is at the peak. And if you are working with this other person in this relationship, maybe inspiring them, maybe with your love, or they may be inspiring you with their love towards you. So you are feeling powerful together, having that inspiration when you are with them, and it is taking you towards a deep intimacy, harmony, and you are building the trust you both have with each other, guys. And this is the time for you to build a strong, meaningful connection with this person. And it is also the time for fun and playfulness, being really creative, being spontaneous, having fun, having a lot of humorous time together. So this crystal spirits card stands for that, guys. And it is the card that stimulates us to give up our shyness and be playful and creative, and giving us the strength and courage that we need in our heart to be free with the other person, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.